Hello and welcome to my video. Today we will be doing a lesson using Alibre design software. We will be creating a part and extrude boss and extrude cut. We've just opened the software. I'm going to go over here and create a new part. Click on this icon here. It says new part 1. Okay. Load up here, center this thing up. And next we're going to use the circle tool from the sketching toolbar. This area here, there's the circle tool. I'm going to then click on this highlighted red square because that's the area in which we'll be working in. You can see as I just moved my mouse over it turned red. Next I'm going to go to the center here and click and pull out my first circle. Let go. Repeat this in the center, click, pull out my second circle. We're not really worried about the size because now we're going to go to the dimension tool. There's dimension, click. I'm going to click on both sides of this circle. And once I've clicked here, a window will pop open. And for the purpose of this drawing, we're just going to set this to 3 inches, 3.0. Type that in there. Right now you're in what probably a smart mode. So we want to go to the file up in the top left hand corner, come down to properties. In the general tab area we want to move to the dimensions. Right here in this area it says smart in this white area. We're going to go down, click linear, apply, close. Now we can grab this dimension and pull it in the center and up. That's what I'm doing here. And we're still in the dimension mode, so I'm going to click on the inside circle on both sides once again. The window comes up and I want to set this for 1.1. Enter. Move it to my left side, so I'm going to grab it here and kind of center it up. Okay, next we're going to go over to the extrude boss, top right hand corner from the modeling toolbar. Once we've clicked that, this window opens up. This area says sketch 1. I want to click there. That's where we're working. Here I highlight this. I'm going to make this 0.8. Okay. Now what I've done here is I've given this part some thickness. I'm going to go up here where it says you can rotate it and grab this and show you that we have now given this part some thickness. I'll try to put it back. Okay, now next we want to do an extrude cut, so we go back over to this toolbar and click on the rectangle. We're highlighted in red. I'm going to click here. It largens up and you can see your part here. I'm going to click in this area. I'm just going to draw a rectangle. Try to get it as close to center as possible. It's easier later on. I'm going to give this some dimensions. So I click the dimensions on the click on the right side and the left side of my rectangle here. And once I've done that, this comes over, pull it to the left, let go, and I'm going to make this 0.5 or a ½ inch wide. Next I want to I'll pull this here and center it up. Next I want to click on the top of my rectangle and go to the bottom, click on the bottom of the rectangle, pull that up here where you can see it a little bit, let go. I want to make this 4.44 inches. Okay, it's there. It's not very clear to see, but it's there. Now I need to center this and my part. So I click the top, the center line, pull this, I pull over to my left here. Let go. I'm going to make this 2.42 inches. And then I want to center this part here. So I'm going to click on my left side here, center, click, pull that over here somewhere, let go, and I want to make this 0.25, enter, and now I have this pretty well centered within my part. I will go up here into the zoom panel, click zoom, click on the part, and move my mouse to the right. You can see it's pretty well centered within my drawing here. Okay, so now I want to make an extrusion cut. So I go over here to the second one. It says extrude cut. It highlights when you move your mouse over it. Click, another task pane window opens up. Again, I'm going to click in the top left hand box. So it says sketch 2 is what it should say there now. Here in depth, I want to highlight this, and I'm going to type in 0.400. OK, and there we have made an extrusion cut. We will click on the rotate so you can see the part, and there it is. The part is has an extrusion, and that is it for this lesson.